Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. I'd like to know. Video 34 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series, plus bonus content over and on. So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for that bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. I'd like to know your number. Your number. Your number. I'd like to know your number. Sorry, that's personal. Sorry, that's personal. I'd like to know more details. More details. More details. I'd like to know more details. Me too. What is it? Me too. What is it? I'd like to know the story. The story. The story. I'd like to know the story. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. I'd like to know how much it'll cost. How much it'll cost. I'd like to know how much it'll cost. It will cost a lot. It will cost a lot. I'd like to know what's inside. What's inside? What's inside? I'd like to know what's inside. It's a message. It's a message. I'd like to know what's plain. What's plain? What's plain? I'd like to know what's plain. Let's call the theater. Let's call the theater. I'd like to know the plan. The plan. The plan. I'd like to know the plan. We'll know later. We'll know later. I'd like to know where to put it. Where to put it. Where to put it. I'd like to know where to put it. Put it over there. Put it over there? I'd like to know. Where to throw it away? Where to throw it away? I'd like to know where to throw it away. Throw it in the bin. Throw it in the bin. Bonus, over and on. Over. It snowed over the mountains. Over. Put the mask over your face. Over. Wear the hat over your head. Over. I got paint all over. On. Did you put tape on the box? On. Is there a stamp on the letter? On. Please stand on the scale. On. There's nothing on the table. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.